Risk is what is happening right now. It's gone down 10-20%. There's nothing you can do about it. It's the nature of the beast. That is the volatility that goes with it. It will go down. Stocks go up and down. That's what creates the momentum in the stock market. So that volatility you just have to deal with out there. Risk is the chance of you permanently losing capital. And nobody's rich enough to afford that. We can't, anything multiplied by zero will result in zero. So we can't afford that kind of risk in the market. But we are in a good place, in a good time, in a good country, that I think that if you can ride through the volatility, the risk of having a zero on a good investment is very, very minimal, right? So my suggestion to you is just ride out that volatility. The second point is that you need to understand market cycles. Market goes through bull markets and bear markets out there. And both are inherent in capitalism. A bull market will always end. There's no such thing as a permanent bull market. And a bear market also will correspondingly end at some time. So do I feel we're still in a bull market? Yes, I think we're in a bull market. So then prices will ultimately head higher over a period of time.